Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make profile public on Valorant. So first you have to open up the browser. In the search panel, you have to type dark space Valorant. Now go to the first website of dark.gg. After coming into the website, you have to sign in with your right ID. I'll just put my credentials here. After you have logged in, Riot Games will ask to authorize dark.gg. Just click on authorize. Now, when your profile loads, you will get the setting to switch your profile to public. Just click on it. Now, all the users from dark.gg will be able to see your profile as it is now public to everybody. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.